looking at them. Yeah, they might be mine, eh? They could be my kids. I don't know. Maybe I've popped a couple of cherries in the last couple of days. You don't know. Could be a couple of babies over there.
You right, mate?
Might have to pay child support.
Is that why you're pissed off, you reckon? That is a couple of babies,
There
right?
is, yeah. Couple of joeys.
Couple of 3 metre dogs.
Couple of 3 meteries.
Couple of woolly jumpers.
Couple of sloppy joes.
It could be. Jamie's put a lift in the Prado. Ryan's big riggies on the road. Ryan has a big dirty mullet. And Jazz loves the big mullet. Just made it to Brivey Island and Ryan has managed to get pulled over. Good start to the trip, Ryan.
Yeah, I'd have more anxiety that Nick's there than the cops.
What do you reckon of that?
Oh,
You're going to be on YouTube, mate. Are you going to give everybody a hello?
Huh?
Do a burnout. Wee-yah! Listen to that, raw power. Ryan's being grounded by the cops. He can't go anywhere. He's got to have his car towed. Thanks, Ryan. This is a great start to the camping trip.
Target eliminated.
You left the street, mate. You know the location there?
Are we in Newcastle?
This is Newcastle, yes. Into it, son. Oh. Let's go camping, eh? We'll just remove this post. Otherwise we'll be camping on this freaking... So we'll just rip that out and we're all just gonna go in there and probably get banned. Oh well. Yeah, mate, just bring her in. What are you doing, mate? Just bring the cars in, you reckon? Bring them in. Having fun, mate?
Yeah,
It's taken about 7 hours. About 7 hours. Finally got his tent set up. Took us about 10 minutes.
They roll up as well.
Does it roll up?
Yeah, bros.
Yeah, bus. Oh, this bloke. Oi, get out of here.
fuck's sake. Never again.
Camping. You know what you're doing, mate? In front of your tent's falling over again.
I need to check myself into a fucking clinic after this.
Yeah, slap her on, mate. Slap her on. The serenity of the pump. Couple of hours. Good on you, mate. Finally set the 10 up. That only took about 6 hours. Trying to have a little fish. No success yet. Not much going on. Tide's a bit crap. That's how far the tide's out. Hopefully we catch something. Where you going? You going to pick up the Irishman? Alright, go and get him. See you soon.
Go and get the dog.
Go and get him. See you soon, mate.
Go get the dog.
Here they are, without the car, because they got defected, but they're in the big rig. Where's your 4B, mate?
Mate, that mud flap's about to be more than 300 mil off the grind there. I'll fucking defact you.
Good to see you, mate.
Good to see you. Good to see you.
Welcome back.
Hi, guys.
Oh! That
Sick,
was
man.
that was hard.
Light stuff and then I'll be up to that.
Yes, but
Yeah, but you gotta get a goal first.
Well, it's getting pretty late, as you can see, so now we're going to head out and go for a little fish, and hopefully we catch something. Let's go. Just walk through. Before, when we walked through this, there was no water, and now she's pretty deep.
I'm fucking walking through that.
All right, I'll see you when I come back then. It's actually a mud crab right here. Don't know if you can see it. There he is. I think I might try and grab this guy. Gonna have to put all my gear up though. So everyone's decided to stay back at the camp. Well, I'm gonna go try and catch a fish. Hopefully we have a bit of success. Let's go. Well, this is a spot, guys. We've pulled up. Can't really see much because it's getting pretty dark. Got the rod holder there. The light in the tree. A couple of rods. And this is where we were earlier today, walking out there. It's probably going to be pretty shallow along here, but we'll give it a go and see what happens. Well, my light's starting to die, unfortunately. Haven't had any luck, haven't caught nothing. Probably go back to camp and have something to eat and try again later.
This is the first time I cooked a mud crab, you know. She's a bit fucking froth.
Can you show us what you're cooking?
She's a bit of frothy at the mouth, you know.
Show us what you're cooking.
Bro.
That looks pretty, that actually looks really
cheesy.
nice.
A little bit cheesy.
Have you ever eaten a fresh crab?
No. It smells like dog shit, bro. You can fucking have it.
I'll eat him.
Smells like fucking dog's balls, bro.
Oh, it's going to be nice though.
Yeah, turn it up a little bit.
Sure.
Scared the fuck out of me. I was taking a piss.
Oh, is that a cat?
It's not a cat.
Wait, look at it. Why is there a cat in the tree? Bro. Oh, he's gone. Where'd he go?
Right up. Watch out, you're standing in your piss.
Oh, there he is. Look, he's right up there. Put the light up there, Jamie. What are you doing? All right, get the chainsaw out.
would you like me to go get you a drink?
Bit of brekkie. Scuba Steve over there. There's a 3 metre land mullet. Check him out. Big boy. Here he is. Just to go at her, mate. Cruising through the bush.
So they're the top bar, bottom bar? Yeah. On the inside of the top bar.
Oh,
You understand what I mean?
What are you doing up there, Gary?
Back off, Russell.
Packed up pretty quick.
No, not good, bro.
Let's go. Not too bad. Yep. Not today. Mate, that is twice we have been harassed by the police. Lucky Ryan's car was already defected and it wasn't out. Let's go home.